Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best budget Nikon camera you can buy Amazon. A budget Nikon camera is a type of digital single-lens reflex DSLR camera that is more affordable than other DSLRs. They are also known as entry-level cameras and are typically intended for beginners or people who don't require advanced features in their photography. You might not be able to afford the latest and greatest DSLR on the market, but you can still get amazing shots with a budget Nikon. You can take stunning photos with your friends, family and loved ones in different landscapes with your new camera. The Nikon is a camera that has a lot of great features. The Nikon is a great option for photographers who want to upgrade from their current DSLR camera without spending too much money on it. Nikon cameras are known for their high-quality build and excellent performance. They are also considered to be one of the best brands when it comes to camera equipment. Nikon cameras are considered to be one of the most trusted brands in the photography industry. With their high-quality build, they deliver great performance with each shot. Nikon cameras have been a favorite among photographers since its inception in 1917. Nikon has been producing some of the most popular camera models in history. Nikon is known for its cameras that are durable and easy to use. Nikon cameras offer a wide range of features that are perfect for photographers and videographers. They come with interchangeable lenses, automatic focus, image stabilization, and more. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Nikon Coolpix B500. The Nikon Coolpix B500 digital camera is the perfect camera for your next travel. The B500 is the smallest and lightest digital SLR camera in its class, to include a 24.2 MP APS-C sensor, 3-inch 921K tilting LCD, 40x optical zoom lens, and 80x dynamic zoom lens. The D5300 also has a built-in pop-up flash for easier shooting in darker areas. The Nikon Coolpix B500 is a budget digital camera that features all of the features you need to take your photos up a notch. 6.5mm wide-angle lens and includes both wired and wireless options. Its digital image stabilizer lets you compose up to 4 shots per second without fear of blur, and it has a touchscreen LCD. If you're looking for an entry-level DSLR camera that's easy to use, you'll want to check out the new Nikon Coolpix B500. With a 16-megapixel sensor and a 6.5mm f2.8 lens, this camera is perfect for beginners and those who just want to take great pictures without spending a ton of money. And it takes all the work out of shooting beautiful photos and videos with its 16-megapixel low-light sensor, lens shift vibration reduction, easy menus and controls, fun creative effects and outstanding automatic operation. Plus, the whole time you're shooting, the Coolpix B500 can be easily and seamlessly connected to a compatible smartphone through Bluetooth low-energy technology for instant photo sharing and remote camera control. Number 4. Nikon D3400. The Nikon D3400 DSLR camera is budget camera with all the features of an advanced DSLR. Get ready for the future of photography with the Nikon D3400. Its 24.2 MP DX format CMOS sensor with an expanded dynamic range lets you shoot in low light and produce stunning, richly detailed images. You also get a host of innovative features like built-in Wi-Fi, HDR and continuous shooting up to 7 frames per second with AF tracking for focus speed that are essential for capturing the perfect shot. Before the D3400, you chose your smartphone camera for convenience. Zooming was clumsy. Shooting in low light was nearly impossible. Capturing fast action was a game of luck. But after the D3400, you'll see that you were compromising image quality. That some of the greatest photos happen when the light is low. That fast action can be frozen in perfect clarity. And that a camera and a smartphone can work together in harmony to make the photos you share absolutely amazing. Photos and videos captured with the D3400 and a superb Nikkor lens are as vibrant and lifelike as the moments they preserve. Shoot in extremely low light without a problem. Freeze fast action in its tracks. Number 3. Nikon D3100. If you're looking for a DSLR camera that is great for beginners or a small family, the Nikon D3100 will not disappoint. The 14.2-megapixel DX format CMOS sensor provides crisp and clear images in any light. The 1080p HD video with full-time AF makes it great for capturing moments and footage. The 3.0-inch LCD screen is perfect for framing your shots, and the budget price tag offers wonderful value. The Nikon D3100 is an excellent entry-level DSLR camera that offers a lot of bang for your buck. Nikon D3100 DSLR camera with 18 to 55mm. It features a 14.2-megapixel DX format CMOS sensor. The lightweight, compact camera is perfect for travel, wildlife and more. Nikon's 3.0-inch LCD lets you share moments in stunning detail, while 1080p Full HD video lets you follow your favorite animal or person with ease. Capture beautiful pictures and amazing Full HD 1080p movies with sound and full-time autofocus. Easily capture the action other cameras miss with a fast startup time, split-second shutter release, 3 frames per second shooting and 11-point autofocus. You can also select from 6 automatic exposure scene modes: portrait, landscape, child, sports, close-up or night portrait for stunning results in otherwise challenging conditions. Number 2. Nikon D5500. So you want to take your photography to the next level? Welcome to Nikon. If you're wondering what's the perfect DSLR camera, then your search is over. You'll find everything you'll need in this budget-friendly device: a 24MP DX format CMOS sensor with no optical low-pass filter, high-resolution vari-angle LCD with familiar, smartphone-like touchscreen and 39-point AF system. This is the best entry-level DSLR camera for the beginner who wants to start shooting with a digital SLR. Shoot with ease and confidence. Our budget-friendly Nikon D5500 DX format digital SLR camera is a perfect entry point into the world of DSLRs. Enjoy the best of both worlds when you use the Nikon D5500. It has a DX format sensor for capturing higher resolution images and a touchscreen for intuitive operation. This camera is easy to use, and it's perfect for those looking to shoot stunning photos on a budget. Share amazing moments while they're happening and without missing a beat. Flip out the LCD and start taking DSLR quality selfies. The D5500 quickly transfers your creations to a compatible smartphone or tablet for easy sharing by email, texting or posting online, wherever you are. No hotspot needed. Number 1. Nikon Z6. Nikon's budget mirrorless camera, the Nikon Z6, helps you take quality digital photos with a wide range of features designed to help digital photographers. It boasts a new larger Z mount, up to 12 FPS shooting, 4K Ultra HD video and 8K time-lapse. Furthermore, its backside illuminated image sensor and image processor produce images that are up to 24.5 megapixel. The Nikon Z6 is a revolutionary camera that has true workhorse features and amazing autofocus system. The Z6 is not a camera just for beginners, it has complex features you can use to get the most out of your photography, as well as manual controls for professional photographers. Put Nikon's revolutionary Z mount in the hands of professional photographers worldwide. The new larger Z mount allows for a dramatically improved optical performance as well as a new lens design that supports autofocus at up to 12 FPS and 4K ultra high definition video. The Z6 is perhaps the most adaptable camera we've ever created. It's at the sweet spot of speed, resolution and low light performance. This is mirrorless versatility as only Nikon could create. All combined with the advantages of a lightweight mirrorless design, a revolutionary new full-frame lens mount with matched lenses, and seamless integration with Nikon DSLR system including the F-mount Nikkor lenses you love. This is mirrorless versatility as only Nikon could create.